Why does it feel as if I'm working myself to exhaustion, but the money just becomes less and less? I'm Moira. I run a small business from home, but the income is extremely unpredictable. I need to look at retiring soon, but my pension fund is not sufficient. And that is why I started looking for a way to earn an extra income stream online because I don't want to be dependent on anyone and I also want to retire comfortably. I found this beginner friendly online business where I'm able to earn dollars with just 2 hours of work a day. I have an automated system that works for me 24/7 so I can carry on with my daily routine while my system works in the background for me. Do you know that if I sell one $300 program in a day, that is equivalent to about 5,000 Rand in South Africa in one transaction in one day? If I earn four of those in a month, that is an extra 20,000 Rand a month. How would you like to earn an extra 20,000 Rand every month? If you would like to know more about my online business, why don't you comment more below and I will send you all the information you require to explain how it all works. You're welcome to phone me or WhatsApp me. My cell phone number is in my bio.